What is up, guys? Grant back here with another video, and today we're going to be doing a how to clean handcuffs, and I've only used these a couple of times. Shackles. Oh yeah, and I had 2 pairs of silver handcuffs. So yes, I do have all of these. It's not that much. I only carry this one, and this one on me. I definitely don't carry these. I carry these in my car. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing gloves. It's because I don't want to touch them nasty handcuffs. They've been on nasty people, all kinds of stuff. I don't want to, but today we're going to be doing a cleaning handcuffs video, how I clean my cuffs. So let me just go ahead and get all the supplies that we need. First, we're going to need this Germex stuff. Next, we're going to need a couple paper towels. And if my sister comes inside, just don't be bothered by her. Okay. And then you're just going to take the Germex stuff. And you're just going to put it all over. And then you're going to take it and you're just going to wipe it all the way down. Now you have some on your glove. Kind of rub them onto the handcuffs. Just cover them in hand sanitizer. This doesn't touch them, so. But yeah, just cover your handcuffs with hand sanitizer. Definitely get like the inside right here. I'm gonna do this to every single cuff. There's my sister. So like, yeah, then you just cover the whole thing and hand sanitizer. You put it off to the side. The next one you're gonna do, you're just gonna cover your hand again in hand sanitizer. And then you might have to rub it together, but you're just gonna rub them on the cuff. I gotta add some more hand sanitizer to this. And then you cover the cuff in hand sanitizer. My sister's really annoying, mostly. You're just gonna cover the whole entire cuff with hand sanitizer. Even the chain on them. I can't really cover the hinges on them, but you just cover the whole entire cuff. Now you're gonna take this. There's my sister. And it's gonna take the handcuff. Stop. Okay, and then you're just gonna take the other cuff, clean them up. Dude, that's really strong. That's very strong, actually. And then I'll show you what I do next after I clean them all. I don't really use this cuff a lot, so these cuffs. Is she trying to, does she growl at you?
I repeat.
Okay.
Repeat.
After that, I'm gonna get a little bit more hand sanitizer. I'm gonna cover this one. These are the shackles. You would take this and you cover them all. Then you're done. Then you take your hand sanitizer paper towel, wipe it on the counter, wherever you've been doing that. And then you're gonna take your dirty gloves where your dirty handcuffs have been, and not cleaning in your eyes because that burns. And then you just want to put them inside each other. They're not touching my hands, so you can just hold them. Alright, then you can grab your cuffs with your hands since they're all clean and stuff. And you're going to take you a paper towel. You're going to take a paper towel and you're just going to run over all where you have put the hand sanitizer. And starting from front to last, first to last. Just going to put them all where you have put the hand sanitizer. And it should make your cuffs a really shiny kind of cuff. See? And then it would make it a really shiny cuff. And you'd put it on the other cuff. This is just cleaning them off for right now. It's that easy. It's pretty easy though. I clean these cuffs almost every day. They're kind of annoying. They get annoying to clean though. But if you want to keep yourself from getting these nasty germs that all of the bad guys and stuff like that have, then you gotta clean your cuffs. So clean your cuffs. I'm gonna do a couple shout outs at the end of the video here in a second. Almost done with all this. See, like right here. You see that nasty stuff right there? All you need to do, take you a little bit of hand sanitizer, run it through the thing. Clean it up. And then you clean the inside too. And check this out. Totally clean. No more hand sanitizer look. See, I'll just show you what they look like before you wipe them off with the paper towel. Yeah, they're all nasty and goopy and stuff like that. That's because you've been running hand sanitizer all over them. This was the first cuff that I did. Okay, you clean that. That one off to the side. You take this one. This one should be easier to clean. Just rub it all over. This one. And I'll get it ready. Needed something. Yeah. Then you just clean up the cuffs. Had him. But yeah. Now your cuffs should run really smooth. Even these are brand new. Well, they're not brand new. I've used them, but yeah. Okay, that's it for my video today. I'm gonna do a shout out to Cool Kids, I think is what I said, and Complete Tennis or something like that. I'll memorize y'all's things. And Ryan James. He's been very supportive, And I would really like you to tell as many people, if you have a lot of subscribers, tell them to please shout out me anything that you can do to get me up with subscribers. Thank y'all guys for watching my channel. Like and subscribe, and peace.